My God, what did I do last night?
Cruz. Leaving so soon?
Here's your payment.
Payment? You promised me a full sponsorship last night. Here's the contract. Care to sign?
I'm going to keep you. You'll be my little canary.
Yes, my master. I'll be your personal pet.
I don't remember any of that.
Oh? Really? I have lots of recordings. The videos are nice and clear.
Are you serious? All I did was touch you a couple of times, and now you're making me responsible for you?
Fine. If you want to cancel the deal, so be it. I can find a new benefactor. This face of mine is in very high demand. Paying off debt is rough. Being a canary is hard. So if my sugar mama is playing me, then you can set me apart.
Okay. Let's talk about this. Number 1, Party A, Leah Cruz agrees to financially support Party B, Ellen Callis, under the conditions of the sponsorship contract. Number 2, Party B must obey all demands from Party A. Number 3, the contract cannot be terminated by Party A. Number 4, $1 billion shall be... $1 billion? Why don't you just go rob a bank?
Fine. I guess you're right. I'll find someone else.
Fine. I'll sign it. It's just $1 billion anyway. On one condition.
What condition?
You must get rid of all these women that are trying to sponsor you. I'm the only one allowed to be your owner. Got it?
Sure thing.